Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a World Coin Hunt which I've designated World Coin Hunt 40. We start off with 4 coins from Portugal. These are 50 centavos from the years 1966, 1963, 1952 and 1967. We have on the obverse we have the Lady of Portugal, and you have the country and the year. On the reverse you have the coat of arms and you have the value. The 1965 coin has a mintage of 3,366,000. The 1963 coin has a mintage of 2,346,000. The 1952 coin has a mintage of 2,421,000, and the coin from 1967 has a mintage of 19,391,000. The next coin is from Canada. We have oops. There we have the most modern portraits of the Queen, and this coin is from Canada from the year 2012. On the obverse here we have the Queen's head. On the reverse you have the name of the country, which is Canada. You have the year, you have the value, and you have the beaver. The mintage for this 2012 coin is 202,944,000. The next coin we have is from Belgium, and there's 3 of them. So let's get, there's one there, 2, there's 2, so let's just take that up just a little bit. There we go, there's 3 of them. These are Belgian coins. They're 5 CES or SEC. They have the crowned monogram on these 2 bottom ones and the year. We have 1 coin from 1922 and 2 coins from 1914. They were issued and the monogram is of Albert I. On the reverse, which is this top one, that's right, isn't it? Yeah. You have the value and you have a vine scroll going around the central hole. In the 1914 coin has a mintage of 6,039,940. The 1922 coin has a mintage of 13,180,000. So that's those 3. The next coin is from Belgium. It's a 2-cent coin. It has Dutch text and it was issued in 1864 during the reign of Leopold I. You have the lion on this side. I've got that up the right way, haven't I? With its paw resting on a stone. On the other side there is a crowned, okay, it's that way up, there's a crowned monogram of Leopold. The mintage for this 1864 coin is 16,839,612. That coin wasn't that clear. This one, this is a 1 lek coin. It comes from Albania and was issued in 2000, or minted in 2008. On this side you have the value and the garland. On the reverse, it could have gone into my animal coin hunt, and I wished I'd kept it for that now. You do have a pelican, along with the country and the year. Here's talking another one that could have been in the animal coin hunt. That's a portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It is a 1 pence from 1980 from the Isle of Man. On this side you have the name of the country, the portrait of the Queen, and the value. On the reverse you have a Manx cat and the value. There's no mintage for this particular coin. We stay in the Isle of Man for the next coin. This one's a copper nickel coin, and it is issued in the year 2000, or minted in the year 2000. On this side you have Her Majesty the Queen, the country, and the year. On the reverse you have a Celtic cross with the value. This coin from the year 2000 has no mintage available. The next coin is 10 centavos. It's from 2012 and it's from Brazil. On there you have the value, the stars, and the year. On the reverse you have the portrait of Pedro I on horseback. This coin from 2012 has a mintage of 444,288,000. This next one has a very famous portrait, that of Marianne. It's a 5-centime coin from 1984 from France. On the reverse we have the value, the year, and an olive stem. The mintage for this 1984 coin is 150,002,447. Next coin. This is 50 centavos from Argentina from 1994. On this side you have the year and the value. Then on the reverse that's the way up. On the reverse there you have the country and the Tucuman building, that's Tucuman. The mintage for this 1994 coin is 80 million. Next coin is an aluminium coin that you've seen a few times on this channel now. This is the 1955 10 lira coin from Italy. On this side we have a rudder, rudder and the year. On this side we have the valuation of 10 lira, and we have a wheat here. This 1955 coin has a mintage of 274,950,000. This coin we have down as 1 kuna. It's from Croatia, although it has its name of the country the way that they spell it, which is Hrvatska. This Croatian 1 kuna was minted in 1998. On this side you have the value, you have a martin or pine martin in the background running around the back of it, and the coat of arms of Croatia. On the reverse you have a bird. I'm not sure of what the bird is, what species it is. The mintage of this 1998 coin for Croatia is 2 million. The next coin is from the Bahamas. On this side of the coin we have the coat of arms of the Bahamas, the year and the name of the country. It's from the year 2000, as I said, and it is a 5-cent coin. On the reverse you have the value in letters, 5 cents, and you have a pineapple. There are no mintage figures for this coin. The penultimate coin, I've got that the right way up. That's that way. This coin is from South Africa. It's a 20-cent coin from 1993. It has the coat of arms, the year and the country's name on this side of the coin. On the reverse side we have the valuation, or the value of the coin, and the protea flower. That's P-R-O-T-E-A. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 134 million. And finally, the last coin is a 10 stonky. It's a Bulgarian coin from 1999. On this side you have the value and the year, and on the other side we have a knight on horseback, and it is known as a Madra horseman. That's M-A-D-R-A. The mintage for this coin from 1999 is 8,231,400. That ends the coin hunt for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. The coins are now safely back in the bag, ready for me to sort and flip into my collection, into my wider collection. If you've enjoyed this particular video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you any money and it will help the channel out immensely. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? And if you believe I deserve your subscription, I would be delighted to have you along for the rest of my journey through Coins About Notes on YouTube. The algorithm that will allow me to be put in front of new people, it works mainly on those two criteria, like likes and also subscription level. I am trying to grow the channel this year. I'm aiming for 100 subscriptions by Christmas, and at the end of August I'm on 92, so I'm not too far away. So any help that you can give me would be greatly received and will put me over my target hopefully by Christmas. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.